Drooping muscles and sagging skin is a part of growing old. For the cosmetic procedures that we have, which includes the plastic surgery, which includes aesthetic procedures, in anti-aging and in endocrinology terms, particularly, we are looking at treating them with hormonal deficiencies which you're facing. Now, the hormone for youth is known to be growth hormone, which actually then, when we give it in smaller quantities over a very long period of time, it recovers you from the drooping skin and the sagging and everything, plus it restores everything that you have in the body going on. My take on the drooping and the sagging muscles and skin is gravity doesn't do it. That's just a misnomer that it's by the gravity. We have come up with fantastic programs. We treat them. We have thousands of patients who have been treated for these two conditions, muscle growth included, because sometimes I just increase the muscle size to get rid of the skin wrinkling. Keep watching for more videos on the YouTube that we'll be uploading, and I'll see you.